First task of the day, upload a video. Well, this is a 4K video. Okay, it says 20 minutes, right? 4K video is about almost 4.5 gigs. So I guess that's not too bad considering my internet's not that great here where I live. Look at these two, they're just sitting there staring at me. Cats! What are you looking at? Kitty cats? They're just staring, I don't know what they're looking at. So if y'all watched the video where I talked about the gravies for the kitties, right? So I have these treats. Little treats made by Blue Buffalo. The cats love this. Watch this. Watch this. Sasha, kitty, you want this? You want this, kitty? That kitty? Sasha, here's one for you. Kitty, get away, that's Sasha's treat. Kitty, you had 2 treats ready. Don't be greedy. Yeah, but let me show you which ones they actually are. Come on, kitty. Have to keep him in here because kitty, sneaky asshole, open all the drawers and get everything. Look. Oh my god. These Blue Buffalo Burst. Kitty loves these. Next thing on the agenda, I need to throw my blankets in the washer. I really want to get some stuff done today, some actual productive stuff. So what I'm going to do is throw my blankets in here. Sheets, blankets, pillowcases, good stuff. Throw in the washer. Whoop. Come on, kitty, let's go. Next thing we need to do, check on the upload. Let's see, I'm on my naked bed. And our upload is at, oh, it's upload complete. So which means I need to fix the end screen now as soon as the first standard definition video is done processing. You fix the end screen, add the little card, the most recent video card, and the subscribe button, and the good stuff. And then we will move on to the next thing of the day. Right, kitty? Meow. You satisfied, you guys' treats? It's happy now? So we have this first video of the week scheduled to go live at 1 p.m. The reason I do that is because it takes a little bit to process the HD version and the 4K version. So it's like, even though it's barely 11:30 right now, I'd rather let it go live at 1 o'clock, so hopefully by then everything's already processed. Also got the boys hit up, see if they want to pull up today so we can have some fun car activities. Getting ready for the wrap. The wrap comes in tomorrow, so we'll get the color unboxed. They don't even know the color I'm wrapping the car. I just told them I was wrapping the car, and they keep trying to guess, but I'm not going to tell them because why would I want to ruin the surprise? They could see it tomorrow. I think Chins is off tomorrow, but Adriel will work, so maybe Chins can pull it tomorrow, and we get started with the wrap. We come back inside to 2 peaceful cats sitting on the bed. They got up when I came inside for some reason, but it's hot. I was shooting around for a while before I started recording that. I didn't record right away because there's other people in the court, in the other court. I don't want to be like, why are they recording? Well, I wasn't recording them, but still, like, I don't want people to be weirded out. So I switched courts after they left and I started recording. I'm hot and tired, and now it's time for lunch.
You alive or? Is he alive?
Yeah. He was asleep.
Oh, God. No,
He's so tired. Dark Dragon Wing videos right now. This is what we're doing on a Monday evening at 7:15 p.m.
So dope.
Watching Dark Dragon Wing drift in his fucking party house. Do you like Mewtwo? Is that why you're up there? Gonna be next to Mewtwo? Damn, I even forgot to tell you, I got some new wheels. You ready to see my new wheels? Day 1 of the daily videos. Day 2, I mean. New wheels, who this? Oh, yeah. Look at this setup, Chins. What do you think of my new setup, Chinies? My new wheels.
Pretty big. Pretty cool. Pretty nice.
19s on the blobby. Damn, I'm acting different out here. You like my new setup, Adriel? My new wheel setup?
Looks cracked, my guy.
Looks cracked on the blobby on 19s.
Oh, yeah. Dude, they look nice on your car.
Fuck yeah. It's a prank, bro. It's just a prank. My wheels got painted new wheel color. Who this? Yeah, they're the same gold as Nikki's, but I wanted this color for a while because of the wrap color. Tee. And here is the finished project that I'm not satisfied with. It looks good from far away, but when you get up close, some of the paint. Okay, so when we were out here painting, Chins, explain what happened while we were painting, please.
So these guys left. It was just me and Raichu, and we were basically inside the in the garage. And then Raichu was, doing his thing, whatever. All of a sudden, the time came where it just started blowing everything, man, just everywhere. And I was like, oh my goodness, it's all, freaking windy.
Dust and
Like,
shit. Yeah, so basically dust blew over some of the wheels, and like there's like 1 or 2 wheels that look really good and 2 of them that don't look that good. So I'm about to touch those up, sadly. But it is what it is. They look good from far away, so I guess that's what really matters, right? Like from this angle here, damn, they look good, boys. They look really good. It's gonna be a thumbnail right here. Cool.
You know what's funny? Is
So-
we right when he came back and we were done with everything and he was priming him, fucking the wind just stopped.
Yeah,
The wind
fact.
just stopped.
By the time we
It was
started
like,
like
yeah.
spraying the last couple coats and then clear coating them, the wind decided it wanted to head out, which sucks. But I mean, they look pretty good from far away. I do like them. I can't say I don't like them, but I am gonna touch them up. I told the boys already. I'm gonna go back and touch these up. I just don't know when I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let the paint cure and stuff. So maybe next weekend I'll probably go back and touch them all up. I have enough paint to do it. Adriel's getting some pictures right now. Look at him. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I like that. I like that a lot. Looks good. Yeah, it does look good. Shit, it looks good on camera too. This is how we wrap up today's video. Laying down, chilling. Let me tell you a little story real quick. So my vinyl's supposed to come today, right? Today is Tuesday, and a FedEx truck came this morning, and it left. It didn't bring me shit. So I was like, what? Like, it's okay. So my FedEx package still says that it's in transit, and it's supposed to be here today. It's said in transit since Friday. It hasn't moved at all. So I called FedEx and I told them, like, yo, dude, my package still says in transit. And they're like, oh, let me see. They're gonna contact the warehouse that last scanned it, I guess, and they're gonna call me back by 5:30 today, and it's already 12. So I called them like at 10:30 after the FedEx truck left. So I've literally just been sitting here waiting. I'm just waiting for FedEx to see if they come, because it's signature required. So if I'm not here, I'm not getting my package. And if I don't get my package, it means I don't get my wrap. And I need the wrap. So we'll see what happens. If things change by the time I start this next video, I'll say it in the next video, and we'll go from there. But until then, Sasha, what do we say? We gotta go. See y'all tomorrow. Goodbye.